Today I'm going to show you bird dog variations. The first one is going to be the basic one, which starts in crawling position with your knees down and your palms right under your shoulders. From here, what I'm going to be doing is extending my opposite arm and opposite leg. This is something that helps you in your stability and lumbar strength. The second one, which is a little tougher than this one, is going to start in beast position. You start in crawling position, and from here what I'm going to do is lift my knees just 1 inch off the floor, not more than that. Lift it 1 inch off the floor and then do the same thing, contralateral limb extensions, which means opposite arm and opposite leg is going to be extended. Notice how my knee is not going to be lifted too much. I'm going to try to stay as low as I can because this is already super intense. So the main thing here is to keep the knees as low as you can and without lifting it too high. Okay, so the next variation is going to be using the bands. I'm going to put it near my hips and I'm going to get into the beast position, not with my knees down. Knees are going to be again 1 inch off the floor, and then from this position I'm going to try to do the same thing, which is extending my opposite arm and opposite leg. If this is too hard for you, you can always try it with your knees down. So same exact thing, knees are down, and from here, okay, so using the band to do the same exact thing is going to challenge you a lot more. It challenges your core and your lower body and your shoulders a lot more, pulling you towards in the other direction, and you're going to fight and stay where you are doing the exact same thing, which is contralateral limb extensions. I hope you guys enjoy it.